Hi guys, welcome back to Life in Spotlight, and today we'll be making the much in trend Dalgona coffee, or you can call it as the beaten coffee. So I know there's nothing new in this, but I'll tell you a very simpler way if you don't have an electric whisker at your home. So all you need is a hand whisker, coffee, sugar, water, and a deep bowl, and yes, that's it. So the basic idea behind making this coffee is that you have to take equal amounts of coffee, sugar and water. Yes, this is all that you need. So you just have to mix all the three ingredients as shown, and you just have to start whisking. So you can whisk it with a spoon, fork, an egg beater or an electric beater as well. Since I don't have an electric beater and I don't like to whisk it with a fork or a spoon as it takes a hell lot of time, so I use this one, and you'll see that the coffee will come to its consistency in another 5 to 7 minutes, and you will notice that gradually the coffee will change its color and it'll become like the lightest shade of brown. At this point of time it is very liquidy, and you will see that it is becoming thick. So now I'll tell you when you should stop whisking. You will see that the coffee will take shape of a thick foam, and when you take it in a spoon or try to drip it, it will not drip and it will form like a standing thread. And as you can see in the video, so you will know when the coffee will be done. It will form a peak, and the peak will not droop down. As you can see in the photo right here, the coffee is perfectly done and rich color and very creamy. So now we'll see how to make the actual coffee. Take a glass of milk, cold or normal milk, and add like a spoon of beaten coffee into it. I'll suggest then don't take more than 1.5 spoon of coffee because it'll become very strong, and all you have to do is just mix with a spoon, and yeah, till it forms a rich creamy lather on the top. And yes, that's it, our cold coffee is ready. You can see it's very creamy and it tastes heavenly. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Till then, bye.